Hi folks, my name is David Gammel. I'm a Chief Practice Officer with McKinley Advisors, and I am the lead facilitator for the Developing Your Leadership Game Plan program coming up December 6th and 7th, sponsored by CESSE. This program is really designed for the chief elected and chief staff officials of scientific and engineering societies to get together and work on how they can have an effective leadership partnership. We will help you have that dialogue with each other. Be very frank with one another, along with your peers in the workshop in a secure setting, to talk about how you can support one another, how you can challenge one another, what's unique about your roles, what are your roles collectively, and how do both of you interface with your board of directors and the rest of the organization, the senior staff of the association, to really help you have an effective year together, or 2 years, however long your term is for those elected leaders. I spent about 9 years as a executive director of a scientific society, and the years in which I had a great working relationship with our elected leaders were the ones where we had the most impact. Years where that didn't click as well were quite challenging in many ways and often held us back. So this program is a great investment of your time. It's all online, easy to do with schedules, hopefully, and I'd really encourage you to attend to work with each other. My colleagues from McKinley are also presenting with this, and we'll talk about a variety of key strategic issues facing associations as well. So it won't just be the theory of how the two of you or three of you can work together well, but how then you can work on specific strategic issues associations are wrestling with in this really dynamic time that we live in. So I hope you join us December 6th and 7th. Go ahead and register now. Spots are somewhat limited, we do cap the program, so we'll probably run out. It usually sells out. So thank you so much. I hope you all have had a great summer, and I really look forward to seeing you early this winter in December. Take care.